are round beads, cats. It's back bead, cats. This is the rough one, and the size is 10 mm. Pick 6 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We picked 4 of the mauve bead. As I said earlier on, this round bead, the size is 10 mm. We have different types. We have the smooth and we have the rough. This is the rough type. So this is, then I'll pick 4. I'm using the pink. Sorry, I'm picking 5. Then I use my right thread to do the cross threading. And pass your fishing line through the next bead. Then you'd pick 4 of this color. We are picking 4 because 2 is these 2 beads form part of the 6. 1, 2. If you are joining us for the first time, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to get first-hand notifications on future updates. Then I'll pick 4 of this. Then it goes through this bead. Then I would pick 4 of this. Goes through this bead. It goes through this 1, 2. So making 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'll pick 3 beads. Then we pick 4. 2 on the left, 2 on the right. Pick your chain. You use the last pull. You do your cross threading. We are securing our fishing line. Go backwards. we tie it. We are securing our fishing line. If you are joining us for the first time, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to get first-hand notifications on future updates. If you are a regular too but haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe and share the video. There's our chain.